Hi everyone, this is Mike with Chief Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase a John Deere riding lawnmower online. First thing you're going to do is go to our website, chiefequip.com. CHIEFEQUIP.com. Since we're looking for a John Deere riding mower, we're going to hover over Shop Now and select John Deere Equipment. This will bring you to the landing page of all the different types of equipment we sell online. And for this example, we will go right to Shop Riding Lawnmowers. This will bring us up to all the different types of series. And for this example, we'll choose an E110 and we'll add a couple attachments to it. So we'll go ahead and click on Shop 100 series. This would actually bring you to the product pages where you can see information about the products and the pricing. And on the left here, if you don't want to get an E100 series, you can always look through all the different models and products down here on the left. First thing you want to do is select your store. Simply type in your zip code, hit update location, and it will show the dealership closest to you. We have one in Hicksville and one in Calverton. Since I'm in Suffolk County, I'm going to choose Calverton. Alright, so we said we're going to look for an E110. Here we have the tractor. If we want to learn more about it, simply click on the link. Here we can check out the specs and different types of offers and accessories that are available. And once we're happy and we decide to go with the E110, we're going to click Add to Cart. Now we'll give you the different prices of the attachments and accessories. Please keep in mind that not all of them are available on this page. So if there's something you're looking for in particular that you do not see, please give us a call at the dealership. We can always add it to your order. So let's go ahead and add a bagger to this order. So we have the E110 selected, and we will just click Add to Cart for the bagger. You'll notice you have a number 2 in the cart now, showing that you selected the tractor and the bagger. So once you're happy with all the attachments, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Checkout Now. So here's a summary of everything that you purchased or are looking to purchase. Make sure that everything that you want is in the cart, and you can hit Checkout Now. Here you'll see your different options for either in-store pickup or delivery. Since there's a promotion for free delivery, we'll go ahead and take advantage of that. We'll click on Delivery. We're going to enter in some information, say I have a gate, or say I have some dogs. Please use gate code, or please call ahead so we can put dogs away. Anything like that that you would need to give special instruction to our driver, please write it in the box here so we can relay that message. So once you select delivery, you can leave us a little note, continue checkout. Here you're simply just going to enter in all your information. There's several ways to pay with different cards, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Discover, and then there's also the option for John Deere's financing. If you do not have an account and you'd like to open up a John Deere credit account, all you got to do is click on this link here, learn more about financing. And since you are looking at the 100 series, it will bring up anything pertaining to the item you have in your cart, and you're simply going to click on the link, Apply for a revolving account. Once you complete this application, it will give you an account number, and all you have to do is enter that account number back in on the bottom here where it's requesting it. Once you enter all your information, all you have to do is hit Continue Checkout, and it will go ahead and shoot us an email and notify us that you are looking for a piece of John Deere equipment. We'll go ahead and contact you, and we will complete this. If you have any questions during any period of this process, don't hesitate to call us. We'll help walk you through it, and stay safe. Thank you.